Howdy. Let me give you a little engine update. So there's been a development. I want to show you said development. This, I don't know, let's see if I can get in there. Right there. Yeah, okay, so this guy right there, that is the exhaust manifold stud. Long story short, let's see if we can get on the back side of that so you can sort of see what's going on. Look right here. You can see that. You'll see it's sort of mashed. Essentially what's happened is that bolt area, that stud area, is will not allow a stud to go into it, which means the head can't be properly locked down, and more importantly, you actually can't get a bolt into it. So we have a tiny little problem. So long story short, no engine today, and probably not for another week and a half to 2 weeks, because it took almost a month and a half for this one to get here. So we now have another one on order. It's not costing anybody anything other than, AutoZone to deliver a part that actually works this time. So yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah, so that happened. So no engine today, no vehicle today, not gonna happen. Larry has to basically dismantle my engine a second time to get the head off so that we can take it to AutoZone, yada, 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 yada. More work for Mr. Larry. Not very good news. However, there is some good news on the horizon, which I will share with you either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So I will let you know what's going on then. When I have it, and I'm certain of it, I will let you know. But there's some good news on the horizon. Unfortunately, no sponsorships just yet, so it's not that. Make a long story short, I'm still looking at getting out of here in mid-April at this point. So yeah, that's gonna happen. So that is all the news that is fit to print today, kiddies. Sorry for the delay. Still working on the edit. I gotta tell you though, it's one of my best edits. I'm sort of surprised by it. I'm about 75% of the way through the edit, and still working on the last 25%, hence the 75% part. So it will probably drop Tuesday or Wednesday. Well, no, probably Wednesday, because it's a monster file. I've got it down to about 19 minutes at this point. Probably nobody will ever see it, but it's actually pretty good. I'm sort of surprised by it. Anyways, that is all the news that is fit to print. One last little detail. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for your patronage. And thank you very much for listening to me yap about this stuff, because without you, I wouldn't be here. Just a reminder that when I leave here, I'm not going to have any money, so please try to keep your support options in place for another 2 or 3 months, so that I will have something to eat on. My goal is to get my subscribers up to about double what they are now, so 42 would be great, and once we cross that line, then you can pull your support if you want to. Thanks a bunch, kiddies. Look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye.